GreenValley International is committed to providing users with one-stop LiDAR services and has been working on point cloud, post-processing, and industry applications for over a decade. After 20-plus versions of R&D iterations, our most comprehensive update yet, LiDAR360 version 6.0. The software has more than 200 industry-leading point cloud algorithms and industry-built functions in intelligent power inspection, ecological forestry, digital city, topographic mapping, high-precision mapping, and many more. LiDAR360 has been downloaded more than 100,000 times and has raised the bar for unlocking the potential of LiDAR data in more than 130 countries and regions. The platform supports fast loading and processing of massive multi-source data. More than 400 functions covering point cloud, image, vector, model, and other data sources, providing comprehensive solutions for multiple industries. Support one key full process operation. Obtain deliverables in one click. The vector editing module provides rich editing, assistant editing tools. It can perform refined processing on terrain contour lines, mine slope top and slope bottom lines, building outlines, and more. The terrain module can classify ground points and supports one-click production of various standard terrain products. Forestry module automatically obtain the position, tree height, crown width, diameter at breast height, height under branches, trunk volume, and other attributes of a single tree. Provide a variety of forest parameter calculation functions. Support the export tree parameter reports. New 3D modeling of forests, making forestry surveys more convenient and quicker. Mining module construct 3D models of mine tunnels, and the cross-section of the roadway can be compared and analyzed. Help underground mining operations with functions such as geological structure plane analysis, automatic extraction of slope lines, and analysis of multi-stage mining changes. LiDAR360 version 6.0 New Building Modeling Module. It can automatically build accurate, single, and semantic building models based on point clouds and building outlines. Build CIMs together with terrain and forest 3D models. The Powerline module can automatically identify key features such as the ground, towers, power lines, houses, vegetations, etc. Hazardous point analysis and real-time operating condition simulation can be performed, and reports can be generated. LiDAR360 MLS Point cloud data vector extraction and analysis software. Self-developed artificial intelligence algorithm can be applied to the construction of basic data, high-precision maps for unmanned driving, census of urban components, elevation planes, road analysis and maintenance, and more. The platform provides multi-source data display, browsing, and measurement. Accelerate the digital depiction of your surroundings. Pre-processing supports the improvement of point cloud data quality and outputs detailed accuracy reports. Feature extraction, providing automatic extraction tools for all types of road elements and facilities. Vector editing, providing more than 50 editing tools to meet the drawing needs of multiple industries. Road analysis supports road damage detection, clearance analysis, visual domain analysis, road section analysis. LiDAR360 MLS uses intelligence to help information extraction and digitally depicts the world. LiDAR360 version 6.0 Unlock the true value of point cloud data.